there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, I've got something incredible in store for you, the Oppo Find N3 Flip. It's truly a masterpiece of engineering, and we can't wait to show you what's inside this sleek, futuristic box. Let's kick off this unboxing by carefully opening the lid. The anticipation is killing me. Look at this beauty. The Oppo Find N3 Flip features a 6.80-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It also has a 3.26-inch AMOLED cover display, providing stunning visuals and an immersive viewing experience. One of the most remarkable features of the Oppo Find N3 Flip is its lightning-fast 44-watt charging capability. With the innovative VOOS Flash Charge 4.0, this device can be charged up to 50% within just 20 minutes. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 SoC, paired with Mali G75 Immortalis MP11 GPU. Its premium build quality, combined with an innovative flip camera concept, the foldable phone sports a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 32-megapixel telephoto sensor. For selfies, there's a 32-megapixel front camera. The Oppo Find N3 Flip also offers an impressive user experience. The ColorOS 11, based on Android 11, ensures seamless performance, while features like Face Unlock, Game Space, and App Cloner enhance the overall usability and convenience. Lastly, let's talk about endurance. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is equipped with a massive $5,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without the need for frequent charging. And with up to 256 GB of internal storage, you'll have all the space you need for your apps, media, and files. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gaming aficionado, or simply someone who wants a premium smartphone with cutting-edge technology, the Oppo Find N3 Flip has got you covered. So there you have it, folks. The Oppo Find N3 Flip. This device represents innovation, style, and power all in one package. Don't miss out on this revolutionary smartphone that's bound to make waves in the tech industry. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see more incredible tech content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest releases. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll catch you next time with another amazing unboxing experience. Until then, stay tech savvy and keep exploring the world of technology. Take care.